Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today I'm just showing you guys how I'm using my planer. I know I just recently did a review and unboxing on this, so I just wanted to show y'all what method works a little bit better for me now. This is my Huckleberry soap, and this will be coming out very soon. I'll have the date in the description box below. And you can see that it's swirled on the top half and then a solid layer on the bottom. So to get started, I spray it down with 91% rubbing alcohol and take a paper towel and clean up the soap residue from the batch before this, just so this soap can glide across easily. So I just go through and do all the sides of my soap, and then I'll come back to do bevel the edges. So I do keep all of my soap scraps. And I'm about to show you the bucket that I put them all in. There it is. Let me just save that. So I did take out that bottom sliding tray that is supposed to catch all the soap shavings. I find it just easier if I set my planer in this little pan that I use for soap anyways. And what I did is I took a book and pushed it against the wall and then put my planer in the pan. Just kind of something to push against so I'm not having to hold the planer down. So as you can see, I've moved on to the beveling part of this batch, and instead of using those little bevel settings already in the planer, I just run the soap across. I find that it doesn't take off so much extra soap and I don't feel like I'm wasting as much. I definitely want smooth sides, but the beveling is just something for looks anyway, so I don't want to take off so much soap there. So again, I'm cleaning it before I move on to the next batch. This one is called Mermaid Island. This is before I plane it. I had so much fun making this. I used Mountain Pour soap base for the tails and for the shells on top. And then I did the sand layer with cold process, and the rest of it's cold process as well. The swirling and the waves were just so much fun, and it really smells amazing. So I just do the same thing with this. I just plane all the sides of it, and then I come back and bevel the edges. And I'll have the date for the release of this soap in the description box below as well. So anyways, this is just my quick video on how I use the planer and beveler that I ordered. And I will also leave that Amazon link below too. But I just found an easier way to use this instead of having to hold it with one hand and then move the soap with the other hand. This is just a way easier setup for me. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope to catch y'all on the next one. Bye.